morning to all. This is our first computer lecture. Myself Gajanan. So we are going to start operating system lecture today, which provides graphical user interface for all. So welcome to this. Now we will start this. So operating systems, graphical user interface, its roles and function. What exactly operating system is, what exactly graphical user interface, and what are its functions and its role. So that we will learn today. We will focus on some points, which will be a table of contents. The first one, types of software, then operating system, then need for an operating system, list of functions of operating system. Operating system, that is OS, provides interface between computer user and computer hardware. And OS is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, etc. Now, operating system is the most important software that run on a computer. It's manage the computer's memory and process, as well as softwares and hardwares. That code is just the example. Now, so system softwares and application software, these are two types of softwares. System software means operating system, and application softwares means those software which run on operating system, like Microsoft Office, some browsers also, some games also. So these are what? Application software. Now, what is system software? System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run on a computer hardware and application programs. If your computer does not have a system software, so you cannot run application softwares. So system softwares plays a vital role while computing. So this one is Windows operating system, that is system softwares. Second one is Linux, and third one is very familiar to you, that is Android. Functions of system softwares, it's read data from memory. Second one, control on a data. Third one is translating data from one form to another form. Then processing and generating output. It gives data to processor. Now system software can be classified as operating system, language, processor, device drivers and utility software. Now application softwares, lot of apps, you are familiar with these apps. So like a WhatsApp app, there is another one is YouTube, music players. These are what application software which runs on a operating system. Now operating system, the computer being a machine cannot perform any task on its own. It requires instruction to do specific tasks. These instructions are given by the user in the form of programs. It acts as a platform between hardware and user. It coordinates the activities of computer. Disk operating system is one of the example of operating system. Now how we can play game or how we can use any app? Just answer me this. Now operating system respond for the first one, what to do, second one, when to do, and third one, how to do. Now need for an operating system, what exactly there is a need? It plays a vital role between user and hardware, that's why. Second one, user interacts with the system through operating system. Operating systems works in the background and acts as a host for other application software, helping them to run over the operating system. Now functions of an operating system is what? Program execution, device management, file management and memory management. These are the four important functions of operating system. Now the first one is single user. Only single user can perform at a time. The second one is multi-user, that means multiple users can be access the computers at the same time. Multi-process means at a time lot of process can be done. And fourth one, real-time operating system, which is used in a missile etc. purpose to just do the work on a specific time. So these are four types, and next there is also two types, we'll see it. The distributed, this operating system is used in a network. When the computers are in network, that time this is used. The second one is interactive. In ATM machines, for a particular time we have to interact with the machine. commonly used operating system are Windows, Unix, Linux and Solaris and mobile operating system. So now the meaning of interface means which helps to use operating system by using some buttons, by using touch screen. So it is known as a interface. Screen is uses in smartphone, laptops. Then it is very user friendly and it's most interactive. Now touchscreen applications are in building smartphones, new generation laptops, reduce mechanical buttons, reduce cost. It is used in ATMs, online teaching methods also. Okay, so now there are some methods, that is pinch it, pinch out, double tap and single tap. Hope you are working with the Android phones, so you might have seen it. What exactly the touchscreen methods. This lecture was very fast, so sorry for that and thanks for watching. If you have any query, you can mail me.